I'm planning on doing something new to my hair today, but first I thought I might want to explain exactly what's happened since my last video. So after my color of my purple faded, I went to go get a balayage and a color gloss. It looked great. It didn't last long, but you know, semi-permanent hair dye does. So after that, I did my hair again. So I actually kind of wish I had videoed it because it ended up really cool. That's not the topic of this video. The topic of this video is holiday colors. So I have a plan to do kind of like a hidden green layer, in which you can tell I did a test strand of green yesterday. Now what I want to do, I couldn't find any references for, not any specific references for what I want. So we'll see how that goes. But what I'm planning to do is the underlayer of my bangs, I want to do green and have it go kind of hidden until like the bottom, and then the top is going to be red. Bye. So I'm using Manic Amplified Green Envy, which is what this test strand is, and I'm also using Arctic Fox's Poison. Navi. Boy, give me that ball. Ready? Get it. So I made the decision to go ahead and section out my hair, because if I try to do a test strand up here and I get it all perfect and everything, I'll never get it back to the way it should be. So I just went ahead and sectioned my hair out the way I'm planning on dyeing it thus far. So it goes down, you can see for yourself. So these parts are gonna be green. Excuse you. Oh, this is such a cute look. So I'm doing the test strand on my bangs. I'll rinse it and then lay the rest of my bangs down just to see what it looks like. The whole reason I want to do it is because I think it would be really cool on days that I wear my bangs back for the green to show with all of the red. There may be a reason why people don't do it a lot. We gonna find out. So I'm gonna start at the root because it'll just be the easiest part, and I have to be super careful with the roots because they're gonna go right up against parts that aren't going to be dyed green. All right. I'm gonna change my gloves, obviously. Clean myself up just a little bit so I can be sure we don't get any bleeding. No, my watch, I should take my watch off. Probably not the best method to do this because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think I'm gonna do my bangs first, get them nice and tight and out of the way, and then I'm gonna do each side of my head, upper and lower. So I'm gonna start with the lower, tie this up, dye this, let it fly, drop that, dye it, let it fly on both sides. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, one side done. All right, I'm gonna let this sit and wash it out later. So I'm recording this the day after. When I got done yesterday and my hair dried and everything, it was raining and like really dark outside. I wasn't gonna be able to do the color justice. So that's why I'm recording it today. It's a little frizzy from yesterday's rain, but it's all good. So I think it turned out really well. I really like how you can see the green, but it's not like too out there. I can hide it if I need to, which is also really cool. My favorite part though are the bangs. Oh. I don't know why more people with fringe bangs don't dye the underlayer of their fringe bangs. I think it's really cool because, you know, when I don't wash my hair, my bangs get greasy, and some days I will just go around like this, like just pin them back. I think it'll look really cool. I'm gonna take a couple still shots just so you can see different ways that I can style this and make it look a little different. But anyway, I think this was a bigger success than I anticipated, which is always a good thing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.